choke you down just like a pill.
Enough things. Hear me now, now. Things I get serious.
Already, welcome back once again to my channel. I hope you are doing well. If today your first time being on this channel, welcome. Today I just want to show you guys how I do my box braids myself. Since it's almost winter, our hair be protected, so it's a protective hair kind of way. So if you are interested to learn video till the end, don't forget to always, like I say, give my video a thumbs up. So this is how the hair looks like out of the box. As you can see, I am now cutting the hair. Or I will just work with the hair. You separate it and you add it. You separate it.
Take you like a pill.
So I have done the back off camera because that is the most difficult part of the hair. So what I will do is that I will show you guys how to also do the same thing. So I just parted the hair like this, and then I just separate it like this. Then I will join this one. Since I don't want the hair to disturb me, I'll just use the comb to join it like this to the rest of this hair. And I want the hair big, so I will just measure it with I'll just measure how. It depends on what you want. Because I want it big, I'm taking bigger hair strokes, so. After you take the hair, you separate it. Make sure one is bigger and the other one is smaller. And then you cross it. You join it together like this. And then you get something like this. After you cross the hair, you get something like this. Then you start right beneath your hair. And then you twist it or you turn just to lock the hair. You see how I'm doing it, and then you release it.
Take you like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So at this stage, I guess you can do your own box braid. I'll do the rest of the hair off camera and I'll get back to you when it's done. I am done. I am finished with the hair. So in all, it took me 8 good hours to have my hair braid. So I am done. What I'm about to do is just to cut it, but that is also optional. You don't have to do it that way. After you braid it, you just put it inside hot water. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you